Hi guys, happy Thursday, and we are back. It's Melissa again with One Hot Bite. Today is going to be super exciting. I'm going to try and make the next few videos kind of cater to different eating styles throughout my life, through competing and personal training and trying to lose weight, trying to be healthy, getting older, all that stuff. I have eaten so many different ways. We all have a tendency to think the next fad diet is the diet. And I'm here to tell you it's really not. I mean, whatever gets you excited about being healthy, that is awesome. But in all reality, if you just eat a balanced, healthy, non-preservative diet with not a lot of sweets, you're gonna end up just fine. But today's meal that we're going to work on is completely, well, I don't want to say it's carb free because it does have a little brown sugar in it and some soy sauce and stuff. So if you're really being super nitpicky, this is not carb free, but it does not have rice or bread or pasta or anything like that with it. So you can add rice to this. These are Thai turkey lettuce wraps. They're beautiful, they're yummy, they're flavorful, and the best part about this is it's 9 ingredients. I mean, that's so easy to come up with. So we are gonna quickly throw this together. This is gonna be really, really easy to do. It's under 500 calories. Can't beat that. Make sure before we even get started, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done that down below, and also share this video. You have plenty other family and friends and coworkers and things like that that would totally enjoy this meal, especially with the low carb eating style that's going on right now. This is perfect for that. So let's get started. Okay, so we talked about the 9 ingredients. The 9 ingredients are super easy. The first little bit we're gonna put together in a sauce that we're gonna put with our ground brown turkey. So we're gonna brown that in 1 tablespoon of canola oil. I got the big one, well, the small one. Anyhow, so in your sauce, you're gonna have canola oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a little bit of brown sugar. So this is where it makes it not quite as carb-free as a lot of keto eaters would like. On top of the lettuce wraps. So lettuce wraps, we're gonna use this awesome butter leaf lettuce. For those of you that haven't purchased this before, it comes live, so it has its little root ball in here. It's so cute. And it does these awesome lettuce cups that you can fill with deliciousness. So we're gonna have that. We're gonna throw our turkey in there. You're gonna see how that comes out. I have an English cucumber here. You can get the regular cucumbers as well. I like the English cucumber because the skin isn't quite as tough and bitter. So these are a little bit more expensive, but they're worth the price. The other thing I have is matchstick carrots. So we're gonna have those. And then we're gonna sprinkle over the top chopped peanuts. So those are on there as well. That's what makes this a little bit higher in fat, which is also great for keto eaters. So anyhow, let's get started. We're gonna put this all together. I want to show you how this butter leaf lettuce comes out. So I've opened his container, and I want to make sure you do this over the sink because, like I say, he does have his root ball on the bottom of it. So all you have to do is break that off. So I'm going to do that really quick. And see how it comes off. Just one dirty chunk, but that tells you it's fresh. Anyhow, so here we have, and we'll wash these, but these make the most beautiful, awesome lettuce cups. So you can do these double layered, so you can take a smaller one and a bigger one, lay them together to give them a little bit more, sturdiness to them, and then you can load them up with all your filling. But right here we have our peanuts, our carrots, our chopped cucumber already, and a sauce that's gonna go on our meat as soon as we get that browned. So let's go ahead and brown our meat. We'll wash up our lettuce, and we'll get these lettuce cups filled. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys really close up on how to assemble these. It's so super simple, but they're super pretty. So we're gonna lay out our lettuce leaves. With this recipe being, it's only 426 calories, you actually get 3 stuffed lettuce leaves. It's plenty of food. So we're gonna put down our 3 lettuce leaves. Again, like I said, you can go 2-ply if you want and stack them this way if you really want them hardier as far as, you know, holding. But these lettuce leaves, this butter lettuce leaf holds up really, really well. So we're gonna start with filling each one of these with about 3 tablespoons of our meat mixture. So this is our ground turkey with that sauce that we made prior to, with the rice vinegar, soy sauce, brown sugar, and oil, canola oil. There we go. Okay, so we now have our meat in here. You can obviously make these meatier if you have less people to feed. I mean, you can go nuts, but I'm gonna show you kind of the standard on this. So we have our ground turkey. We're gonna top each one with some fresh cucumber that we diced up. Then we are going to add some of those awesome matchstick carrots. I love these because I didn't have to do anything other than open the bag. Super awesome. We're gonna make them like that. Now we're gonna top them with some of our peanuts just for that extra added crunch, added flavor. Actually adds that. These are no salt. You can get low salt. You can go full salt, but like I say, here's where we go, because we're actually gonna have salt in this soy sauce. We only put 1/4 of a cup of the sauce inside the ground turkey right after it was done being cooked. So the rest of this is gonna get drizzled right over the top of each one. So anyhow, there you go. We have put together our lettuce wraps. We have all 3 of them on a plate, and they are delicious. So right there you have a meal for 4, the lettuce wraps. So to eat these, you just bundle all that up together. Take a big bite. You can't go wrong with these. So there you have it. We have another great meal. This one, I would say, was more of our carb-free meal. Next week, I'll try and make sure that we hit all different kinds of eating styles. My favorite one is Mediterranean. It's a little bit of everything, no processed food. Anyhow, make sure you subscribe to this video, like it, share it with all your friends and family, and definitely enjoy these Thai turkey lettuce wraps. I'll see you next Thursday.